Now everyone can get unlimited access to Claude Code and can chat or build with all latest Claude models completely free. Not only Claude Code, but you will also get access to OpenAI Codex with all latest GPT models. And the best part is we are going to get official access and we do not need any payment or document verification to avail this offer. Well, that's it for my intro. I'm Ustad from AI Funda. Let's begin. Well, first of all, visit my special link which is available in this video's description, and it will bring you to this platform called Free Model. Well, Free Model is the platform which we are going to use to access Claude. It will give us API credits which we will use to access Claude Code and Codex. But before moving forward, let me tell you that once we sign up on this platform, they will activate our Pro subscription and we will get $250 API credits 100% free. All of those credits will be given on weekly basis, which means you will get about $67 per week. This is a fair amount considering it is a free offer, but this is not enough for most of the people, so stay with me till the end and I will show you a method by which you will get literally unlimited credits. Let's set up things and see how we can access Claude Code, and then we will see how to make it unlimited. So simply create a free account on this platform. I am going to sign up with Google. It's pretty simple. Remember, temporary email does not work on this platform, so make sure to use a Google account or any other reputed email. So just hit continue with Google. As you will sign up on this platform, you can see there is a verification pop. Well, if you do not verify your account, you can still use the Pro subscription. But to make these credits unlimited, you have to verify your Telegram or maybe phone number. I am going to verify it with Telegram. So simply click on bind Telegram, and here you can see QR code. You can simply open this QR code in your mobile device, or if you have Telegram on your desktop, you can simply click on this link to verify it on your desktop. I am going to scan this QR code on my mobile device. After verification, you can see this is the current plan is Pro plan, which means our method worked completely fine. Now simply head over to uses section to see our available credits. And in uses section, you can see we have $66 available for this week, and for the 4 weeks these are available over 250 credits. But once you see above, this is $20. These $20 are extra because we verified our Telegram, and these credits are not expirable. Once your Pro subscription is expired, all of these 66 credits or 250 credits will definitely expire. But these 20 credits will not expire, and I will tell you how to make them unlimited after the setting up and testing Claude Code. So now let's simply go to documentation section, so we can actually see how to set up Claude Code and build our first project. Well, the method is pretty simple and it's written here clearly. We just need to actually select our operating system. So I'm going to set up Claude for Windows. Now just scroll below. And here in step 1, we need to install git bash. Well, it's recommended. I think it's not necessary, but just recommended. So you may install it. After that, we have to install node.js, and then we need to install Claude Code in our PC. So let's start with step 1, install git bash. Simply click on this download git for Windows, and it will open another link where we can install the git. It's pretty simple, or everything is literally free, so just go with it. Simply hit git for Windows 64-bit setup, and you can see it's being downloaded. Now let's go back to Free Model. Now click on download Node.js for Windows. Simply click on get Node.js. Scroll below and click on Windows installer MSI, and it's also being downloaded. Now let's wait for the download to complete, and then we will resume our process. Well, both of our files has been downloaded. Now let's install these setups. Simply click on git. I have kept everything on default and it's being installed. Now let's install Node.js. Both of our setups have been installed. Now let's follow the rest of the process. So we have completed step 1, we have completed step 2. In the step 3, we need to create an API. So simply go to API key section in the left side menu. Click on create key. Give it a name. Click on create key. Here you can see your key. Simply copy it and save it somewhere. So I'm going to save it in Notepad. Now let's go back to documentation section, and in step 4 we need to install Claude Code in our PC. So simply copy this command, open cmd, paste the command and hit enter. You can see Claude Code is being installed in our PC. So let's wait for it to complete. You can see Claude Code has been successfully installed in our PC. Now simply write Claude to run it. And you can see it's running properly. Now it's asking us to configure it. I'm going with Darmook, yes. Now it's asking us to buy a cloud subscription, or you may use a third-party platform. So simply just close it here, and now let me show you the rest of the process. Simply close command prompt, go back to our platform. Now we need to create a JSON file. After step 4, in the step file, we need to create a file called settings.json. So simply copy the code, and we need to go to this specific path called user, then your username, then Claude, then settings.json. First open your file explorer, go to C drive which has Windows, then go to users, then go to your user, and then you can see on the top we have Claude folder. Well, if you cannot see Claude here, it's often marked as a hidden file, so you have to show your hidden files to see this folder. I have already configured my hidden files to show in my PC, so it's showing right here. We already have settings.json file because we ran Claude Code for once, so simply edit it, remove everything, and then paste our new code. Now as we already have created our API key, simply copy that API key and replace it here on both of the occasions. Then hit save. Now close Notepad and open CMD again. Now run Claude Code again. And you can see this time it's not asking us for subscription, but it's asking for us if you want to use this API key. Simply click on yes through your keyboard, and then press enter to continue simply, and then click on yes, I trust this folder. And here you can see our Claude Code is ready and running right here in our PC, and it's completely official. We are using official Claude models to run Claude Code. We are not using any other models like Nvidia, GLM or others, but we are using official Claude models. And let me show you that. Write a command, and here you can see it has generated response for us. Sometimes it's little slower, but most of the times it's so good. Now to configure different things and switch between our models, simply send a question mark to enable shortcuts. And once you enter question mark, it has different shortcuts right here. So to switch models, we have to click on Alt plus P to switch models. Simply click on Alt plus P, and you can see we have all models right here. We have Claude Opus, Sonnet 1 million context window, and then Claude Hiko. So we have every model right here in our PC. You can use any model, and let's change the model. So if I want to use Sonnet, simply click on it, and now we are chatting with Claude Sonnet. I actually want to build a project right here in my PC to show you, but the video is already too long. So let's go back to free model website. Now we have $67 API credits for every week, but if you want to make them unlimited and unexpirable, what you can do, we have two methods right here. The first one is refer and earn. What we can do, we can actually invite our friends or any people to this platform, and for every single person we will get $10 API credits, and these will not be expirable. You can use it anytime, anywhere. Well, that's it from today's video. If you want more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe and like button. Also join our WhatsApp community, because on WhatsApp community we provide a lots of different premium things completely free. The link is in description. I will definitely appreciate you if you join that. That's it from today's video. We will meet in the next one. Until then, goodbye, peace out.